Children live what they learn. Children live what they learn. Children live what they learn. Parents, you're responsible for the future. And I want to talk to those people that complaining and talking about, oh, you and the gelding truck, you have kids. Are you growing a child to become a man or to become a woman? Andrew Holness parents are parents growing to become a prime minister. So all the parents I'm out there bashing the prime minister. I'm not JLP, I'm not PMP, but I have a leader. I have a leader that responsible for a lot of things that going on in this country, and it's not that easy. Some of you can't even take care of your child, much less, but you're complaining about what the prime minister is doing. Take care of your home first. Take care of your community.